This is David Talbot. I'm the CTO at WorkMover. I'd like to talk about alternate payment methods. And, we generally concentrate on Stripe, but we have quite a lot of alternates that might fit your customer profile. But really, this is a story of the excellent API interconnectivity of Caspio. We spend a lot of time on Caspio APIs. Stripe is the standard credit card that Caspio uses. We go into the Stripe API so we can immediately update if the person's credit card works or doesn't work. Subscriptions, lots of coupon stuff, the first 30 days are free, the first 20 people are free, those sorts of things, and flexible payment schedules. Some customers, for instance, in telemedicine are not accepted by Stripe, and so Square is identical to Stripe just about, and so we switch those clients into Square. Authorize.net, we do a little bit on this, but they were the granddaddy of payments, but they lost market share because they used to have difficult APIs. They've improved that now, but the horse is out of the barn, and so Stripe and Square seem to be more popular for our clients. Okay. Now, if you have a client has a lot of transaction volume, Payment Depot may be the answer. Payment Depot, instead of having a per transaction fee, they give you a flat fee and no transaction fees. So if you've got a lot of transactions, they're really attractive financially. And all of these different systems are pretty easy to interconnect using Caspio API interfaces, okay? But those of you who have clients who may not be sort of that well organized on their credit card payments, USA ePay is and Pineapple Pay. Pineapple, funny name, but a big company now, and they're willing to do a lot of subprime payments. So, for instance, Stripe doesn't like to have people with their payments being declined, but USA ePay and Pineapple Pay more tolerant, and also USA ePay can do those prepaid credit cards like you can buy in CVS Pharmacy, for instance. And so those for subprime, pretty useful. Okay. Other payment methods, PayPal, not as popular now. There's quite a lot of paperwork to do to get set up with PayPal. We've done this, but quite honestly, nobody's wanted to do PayPal with us for a few months. And so PayPal payments not as popular now, but certainly we have the code that can connect your Caspio into PayPal. Okay. Something that is very attractive is the automated clearinghouse. This is a U.S. government organization, and low or no fees. Very, very attractive for doing lots of payments, both in and out payments. Paperwork a little bit difficult, and so what we do, we go through an intermediary called ACH Works, okay? And so here we are, we have lots of alternate payment methods that are pretty much facilitated by the Caspio APIs, and as always, we're more than happy to share our knowledge and our code with Caspio end users. So thanks very much then. Bye-bye.